Soldiers, if you never married or you never engaged, then you no fit do hook up. When I say see hook up wahala na you enter for it today. But before we start the gist for today, my people, more remember as we always do a tradition. Remember for like, subscribe, and share the video. My people, then today we want to talk that we get na dilis, extra dilis for Yak Mama for this one house today, my people. We get for talk about it because we as we do one waka so that the one waka so. I say man don't talk anything. But so they talk say, boss, we must talk this thing. Yes, we not talk waiting we gain. We get for talker. Yeah. I don't talk so easy. If you know one married or be engaged or do her, you know get for do hook up for this social media. So we not blame the biggest vlogger. We not blame Amo. Now ye don't use the hate for no say you get for married or you get for married or you get for engaged before you do hook up. So now you want judge for ye because we see some funny pictures on social media yesterday where Sevo waka. Now you say mu can talk for ye, make update una for which way they go on. But before we start, as I talk, we'll go subscribe. If you be new for this house, make sure say you go subscribe. Make sure say you like the video and make sure please say you share the video. For my old subscriber, I tell una say Jika. I tell you that thank you so much. But for the new one, them I will see beg. Say no only view you go. Make sure say you subscribe for see more videos. And don't forget to put your notification bell. Yes, my soldier then. As we be the talk today, we're going to talk that Zilis. When I know Zilis now, Zilis is the biggest. In fact, one of the notorious vloggers for Cameroon. Yes, and from Cameroon. Yes, it is based for US. That you will want to talk about it today. Where's you want to talk about it? Before one go into the matter of the day, move and look one or two enjoyment the way Zilis go enjoy for if you get it out in vacation. Just this weekend we pass. I don't look that vacation. Una look am, una see how we get sexy. Una see how it come out. Yes, to an extent, it be sure no what to do that way. Yes, but it do a stand up fine inside. It come out fine, my people. It they fine for this scene. It I don't talk for they went seen they with the talk as they with the talk as they. This na I know I was seeing now in that kind of person the too much propose on social media to make a people never see business. Yes, but this one we decide say we go talk. So tell see picture them for a vacation. I say no, they want over to do something. Yes, that public figure, yes. But I will say I don't get for talk anything for the team because it come up fine over to do that way, it will call our attention. But due to the update them for that vacation, we get right to for Bingham, can't talk affair, we'll get other things to engage for the vacation where it don't make them, we'll get for talker. My people then will see say Zilis it come out fine, it's straight, it dey fine. Yes, it dey fine for a vacation, it enjoy. But wait till make me understand. He posterity right off for this say, oh ladies, you can go show your friend there, you can go and make enjoyment. You don't must go see man picking me, take you for vacation. Wait. Stay people that you want that. That's what finally ask say, Mama, wait today. Oh, Mama, now who they behind vacation? He talks say now he and the friend decide to take their vacation. We'll say okay. Now fight say woman they don't decide for she know that they take their own vacation. But only for me for one surprise, bam, one woke up today. Only see na picture 200. Hey, I look up, I go for a come back. I look at, I go for a come back. He say what update he fans. My people, you know think seriously. If I'm gonna look the picture, when look the picture, when tell me, when look at fine. Yes. When I see two fresh handed, fresh handed, even though the years story get to say, no, I hand that to call up vlogger then to the talk say, me can't expose a person who get a hand. But with the talk that we will see am, na public figure, yes. Na public figure, the talk to me will see am. It don't show his seriously. It don't be my say some guy there and somebody there behind the this. So we'll take a lot of calculate ourselves now. When I buy some if you can tell me say na ladies and the they don't decide say them ladies and they come out go enjoy themselves. We don't take us in this story. Yes, woman can do better. Yes, that's what the glass. Woman can do better. And only for we for it change ourselves against a point post na my hand. I look am, I go, I come back. I say, man, no talk. So then they come tell me, say, boss, CEO, you must talk. CEO, you must talk. I say, okay. Man, see whether I fit talk with that. Then I go now, go recall back for this matter. Wait till it happen before he even change the talk again. When he don't fit talk for the matter. I recall again, say, wait. In one stay with he post say, who copy? He has the fan and say, who copy? Oh, he go do I. Oh, now one who up, oh, now no one who up. Now one who up, oh, now no one who up. Now they will say, oh, the who up issue. Because after we can see again about the who up, we see and say, he don't talk, say, go up, can that he must do his own hook up. And people must register. My people now use na sense, now use na cerveau, now use na sense. Who wants to start the hook up? Come on, start hook up for you. They caution. He make a hook up, dance with it. Before Mario one come, Mama Taraku don't engage. In only 1 month, Mama Taraku hook up to say hook up. Hey, hook up. No man if you talk no to Mama Taraku because see engagement. My people, loud engagement. I said they blew up. If you not engage, you not marry, wait till you gain. If you not do hook up, wait till you gain. If you not marry before you do hook up, wait till you gain, my people. So now you make really want update yourself. Now you understand something is behind. Before you want to do hook up now, you must be satisfied, engaged lady or married woman. Because if you not use that several fine, Mama Taraku go engage and see he come by no make 2 months. He say na hook up. You know say no man, we no fit talk no. We no say get a guy, he get somebody where he pepe. You understand? He get a guy for corner. So he get right all the full momentum for do hook up. Yes, he get that. Couples change strategy for hook up immediately after marriage. I say honeymoon na for organize hook up, organize grouping. Change strategy one time, because another time, you know see the married woman. People ever blew up with all married. Wait till I wait. Because you hook up the helepo in the headache. So if you know they don't marry you again, you be legitimate wife. You be celebrity wife or husband. But people find your pen and paper, start doing your own hook up immediately. No waste time. Do your own hook up immediately. So yet mama, yes, yet mama uses cerveau, he uses hate well. Yes, he use that. He said that me they talk about my hook up or my waiting. One time he show me massa. He show me a hand then. He's here, he don't tell me say, show me a family for this. Yes, we don't do watch a video, then he make statement say, show a family. People don't ever know about a family. We don't ever know about a family. Yes. So now so he did. He woke up that yesterday. Now just update me. Say something is playing. I get full right for do my hook up now because I get a man. Yes. So come down to the conclusion. Judgment number 7.8, section 2C talks about any man will be engaged or married. He get right for do hook up. Now so me have no matter proof for we. Wait to want to again. Now the judgment that. Now say no proof for we. My people, why want look into Kobos again? Yes, if Kobo no enter our house every day, where we go gain. So we forget about that mama affairs. We go peace motive for Kobo. Yes, we get for talk about them. Na celebrity, big one for that matter. And he get market. Yes, he get market fine. He said, Kobos, I want to give one advice, my dear sister. One advice. Yeah, we know say now you don't preach for we say, oh, don't post your husband, oh, don't post your boyfriend, oh, don't flaunt your boyfriend. Sometimes we go say, flaunty, do so, but don't fly relationship. My sister, yes, we know say you want to practice either you practice way you the teach we, or you practice way you know you teach we. Yes, we will take you as you did. But my sister, your husband, in fact, that man, I don't understand that man. I don't understand that man. Your husband, when you see bam on a new video, look at bam, it was not see your traditional kaba. My problem is not even a kaba. My problem is say now man of God. My problem is say yes, sometimes they be man and a woman. Fish know how they make jokes they make some kind of play them. Yes, but you know what allow me eat use na kaba. You know what allow me use na kaba. Now, man of God, yes, we agree. We would not say sometimes if you be your woman for us to joke, you play, you do anything, anyhow, maybe you remain only say on a house. That man, a big man, a mature man, a man of God, he get that is okay. Even though he say one being for social media, you know, we first see how you do them, make some kind of thing for him, for status and for what you make some kind of thing. You want to the kids, or you play the car, you make the thing and picking, and mommy and picking they play. Would you look down one? Would you just say not talk now? Honeymoon, your skin is, you know, you don't marry your skin is sweet for the thing, yes, you know, yeah, the thing the ginger you, yes, we understand that kind of thing, but no be na all thing you get for put out for social media, cobos. No, na all thing. That man is a respectable man of God. Unless you want to tell him Musa doubt his evo. If you want a Musa Zik, we go start Zik. We go start know who be that man be. No way to put up for social media. The man will have blame naive because woman or you don't get decision. You know they say no, baby. This one need to go outside. This one our play inside house. Now all team. When I want your bonosupo, you put that. When I want to you put that. So the judge, I tell you that because time was enter man in matter. Me no can talk say we don't enter for day. The one or ever elaborate for day. So when we talk again, I say today that Zil is bringing for here. He use in number 6 for do this. He use 8 for do for start a hook up. When I'm known as he get all the right for do a hook up now because he don't show me proof. So they will never say that 65 hook up CEO. Yes, you want to do it. Now we don't accept that so no say that you say that he use it find a blogger no he know it today he have voice of kind of chuchu there for back so that's why but before I want to leave now today I would like to say remind me say move subscribe will like I will share the video I beg una no make my blow now I will blow now I blow the powder I beg people they only can view go I will blow the powder I beg una. My people, I beg for people that don't subscribe, people that don't view, people that don't share. I say big thank you for now. My people, see you in the next coming video.